Isiseko iHouse of Tenway Foundation sicela inkxaso yoluntu njengoko namhlanje siphehlelele iphulo laso lesikolo lasebusika eShiyawela lokubonelela ngezihlangu zesikolo, impahla zesikolo zabafundi kunye nezinye izinto ezibalulekileyo kubantwana abavela kwiintsapho ezizimpulu zikalujaca. Isiseko sithi abafundi abaninzi balungiselela ukubuyela esikolweni bengenazo izinto eziyimfuneko, nto leyo eyenza inkxaso yoluntu ibaluleke kakhulu ekubuyiseleni isidima sabo nokuzithemba kwabo. Kanti ke njengenxalenye yeliphulo, abantwana bakwafumane iinkonzo zasimahla zokuchetywa iinwele, ukuhlanjwa iinwele kunye nokutya okunesondlo ngaphambi kokuba kukhabe ikota entsha yezifundo.
Ukuphelela ukuzethemba kungenye yeyinselele ezicindezela abantwana abancane ezikoleni begcineke besilela ezifundweni zabo. Ngakho inhlangano engenzi inzuzo eHouse of Tenway isinxuse uxhaso emphakathini ukuze isize abantwana abasuka emakhaya adla imbuya ngothi.
Most of our beneficiaries are from disadvantaged families. So ukuthi umama unemployed, ubaba unemployed, unemployment rate inkulu, so umntana akakhuphi kahle esikolweni because akatholi into ayifunayo. So hence we've come up with this winter drive. Our theme is to restore the dignity of a black child. Most of abantwana bethu, they are doing well, but self-esteem yabo iba phansi, hence it affecta progress yabo esikolweni. Uthola ukuthi umntana ihembe lidabukile, ijezi lidabukile, isicathulo sibheke phezulu, so akabi confident enough.
Elinye lamalunga lenhlangano lithi ke nakuba belithola uxhaso kuhulumeni kodwa lanele ukusiza abantwana abangu175 ababasizayo njengamanje nabanye abasezayo.
The funding is not enough, so we are asking for help ukuthi singathola isponsor to help us with doing this work that the government is funding, but the funding is not enough. So we are urging our companies and other stakeholders ukuthi they can come and help the children here by donating our school uniforms, nutritional food, and school shoes actually, because abantwana, most of them, they come from vulnerable places, so they don't have that support. So we are urging people to come and help.
Lo mkhankaso uzothatha izinsuku ezimbili walenhlangano uqhutshwa nje kungenxa yokusondela kosuku lokuvulwa kwezikole. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Myeni ngeseShawela.